Hi friends, how are you all? Hope everyone is doing fine. This is Sai and welcome to our channel Trendset Power, Power of a Common Man. Yeah, today I want to demonstrate something important and something interesting. You should listen carefully. Yeah, how many of you observed the engine of the Himalayan? It is powder coated and it is powder coated because the Himalayas will roam here and there in water and in the snow. So, due to avoiding the rusting, they gave the powder coating to every part of the Himalayan. Mostly, you will find the powder coated only. And how many of you observed that? After buying the Himalayan, we buy the Himalayan, it's coming from showroom. We will observe that it is very brand new look and it will shine. The engine part will shine. I think it is called a wet look of the engine. And later on, if you if you turn to use that vehicle, you will find something on the engine part. You will find the strains on the engine parts, and that will not at all going. If you take it to the water wash shop, you take shampoo and wash it with the shampoo, it will not go. And if you try so many liquids in the market, you can apply it, it will not get a new look. So I was getting very disappointment, and I tried one my self remedy to get a brand new look. You will amaze, friends. You will amaze really, because without any cost, I am saying once again, without any cost, we will get a brand new look. Just observe the video carefully, and you will get brand new look. Let's go to the vehicle and just we will observe how to apply that product. Now keep watching, friends. I will you see the result. uh, I will do, and what I will do is I will take just engine oil. This is semi synthetic engine oil in it, and I will just pour on this uh, approximately 10 drops or 15 drops. Then you see the result how it will be. And one more thing, and this will last for minimum 15 to 20 days, and you can apply later. And you can apply the parts like this also. This is also matte finish, and you can apply on this also. Like these parts you can apply, and it will gain the wet look, black wet look. And you can see now I will do that practically. Keep watching. You see, friends, I am pouring 2 to 3 drops in it. 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this. And you see the magic, and it will regain the black look. You will wonder, but this technique, I, I tried a lot, and I found this is very helpful. You see the result, and you don't afraid of anything, because it will evaporate very quickly. But the this wet look will you see the wet look. You see the difference here and here and here. The wet look. This is a new vehicle look, almost new vehicle look. Can regain like this, and you do entire part, this part and this part, and then this part. I will come back to you after doing all the parts. You also try, friends. It's very helpful. So I will complete this process, and I will show the result. Friends, I have completed the process. You see what is the look. Entire this is new look, this is new look, and you see this is new look. And you don't afraid uh, that it will catch the dust. Nothing will be happen. It will evaporate, and uh, after 12 13 hours it will look where so much wet look, like this only, and it will not catch any dust. You don't afraid. And you can I did on this also. You see the new look. And I did here also. You see the wet look. I need this. You can do this also, but I will do it later. Like this you can. You see I did like this, and every part I did. And like that you can do, friends. That's it, friends. Yeah, that's it, friends. That is a very very simple procedure. I think you like the video, and if you really like, please do subscribe to my channel and like the video, and if possible please comment on that, because I think I will know that it is reaching to you. I don't know that much fluent English, but I am making in English, though my mother tongue is Telugu, because so many people are using in the foreign also Himalayas, because there is no garages there. But we should know some basic things how to manage, because as I said earlier, Himalayan mechanics will not available everywhere. So you should know the minimum things to do on Himalayan. I will say in my later videos, but I need your support, then only I can move forward. And in the later videos I will definitely share some important tips, how to tight the chain and how to maintain the chain, and what are the extra parts we have to use. And I spent around 1 year after taking, it's almost 1 year I took BS4 model, and I was made a research on this and how the every part will work. So if I want to say something to you, I should have more knowledge, because knowledge is precious, knowledge is power. If we share our knowledge, I think more knowledge will adopted by us. So friends, please support me, and I will definitely come with nice videos and clear videos. And mostly I will prefer only less amount of products only to you, and reliable products to you. So I am signing off, your strength set power Sai.